Thailand is a rapidly developing nation that offers excellent opportunities for doing business. Registering a Thai limited company comes with useful benefits and can be much better than operating offshore. This process is mostly straightforward, but there are some difficulties that foreigners often experience. At TLA Legal, we have a staff of knowledgeable, English-speaking lawyers who can guide you through the process. If you're currently staying in Bangkok, we can give you a free, no-obligations legal consultation to answer any of your questions. Our office is located near the Pham Prong BTS SkyTrain station. Simply let us know the date and time when you would like to meet. If you're currently not in Bangkok, we can assist you remotely instead. Just send us the required documents and complete the forms as instructed by our lawyers. Ready to get started? Email us today or visit our website for more information.